Auto Repair Cloud is an online service which provides all functions necessary for repair shop's work and management. You may use the following applications: web application at autorepair-schedule.com, iOS and Android tablet applications with extended number of functions, iOS and Android mobile phone app which provides main functions in case you would need to quickly inspect or scan the VIN code. Let's look at the main features of the Auto Repair Cloud. Set up and customize your repair shop. After you have registered, log into your repair shop account at autorepair-schedule.com and adjust the settings as desired. Enter your repair shop address for the customers to find you. Set the work schedule, the cost of repair per hour, price differentials and markups, taxes, and other features of your shop. Customize your invoice and your personal website as well as the applications which your customers will use. Please refer to Shop's custom webpage video to learn more about setting up your personal website. Users and their permissions. By choosing Manage Users under Configuration menu, you can add several accounts for your repair shop. For example, you can add your managers, mechanics, and other employees. You can also set up access rights for each user. For example, you can log access to various settings and statistics for a mechanic. Marketing. In Configuration, under the Public Info submenu, you will receive and share QR code for your customers to find the shop. If you have your shop's page on Facebook, link it to Auto Repair-Schedule app, where car owners will be able to see the upcoming services for their vehicles and book an appointment with you at the following address: apps.facebook.com/autorepair-schedule. To learn more about this app, please watch our video guide called Appointment Scheduling Facebook app. Appointments. Auto Repair Cloud has unlimited cloud storage for planning repair appointments and other events. You can view the scheduled services or add new ones to the calendar. Customers can book repair appointments through your website or mobile phones and tablet applications. Booked appointments will be automatically reflected in your calendar. All you would need to do is to confirm appointment time. The schedule allows you to sort by lifts or bays or mechanics. This will help you to clearly see if the bay or mechanic is available at the required time. Find out more about appointments in our video guide. Customers and vehicles. Auto Repair Cloud provides unlimited cloud storage for you to keep all customer and vehicle data at one place. You can quickly find a customer or a vehicle by entering a phone number or using the built-in VIN or license plate scanner in tablet and phone applications. In the same way, you can add a new customer or car information. Our database contains more than 25,000 different car make and model years. This means that by adding a vehicle specifying its VIN number or by selecting a car from the list, all the data about the car are filled automatically. This data includes information about the type of transmission, type of the drive, engine size, etc. Track the list of performed repairs, diagnostics, and their outcomes for a selected vehicle. You can find a vehicle in your customer database using various filters, such as owner's phone number, vehicle's make and model, license plate number, etc. The date of the upcoming inspection and repair services is calculated on the base of average mileage 1 year ahead. You may either accept or decline services offered to you at the beginning of repair. Quotes and repairs. Consider a situation when a customer comes to your repair shop to inquire about and estimate the repair cost, but there is no necessity to add them into the database yet. For such occasions, the Auto Repair Cloud has quotes, where you can add the repair services such as diagnostics, spare parts, and the cost of labor involved, as well as the cost of these services such as hours of labor, discounts, and taxes. You can also have the option to choose one of the repair templates created earlier. You can learn more about this feature in our video repair template. By clicking one of the buttons in the lower menu, you can either send an email or print out an invoice for the customer. If the customer accepts your quotes, you can start working by converting a quote to repair. To do this, you will need to add the customer to your database, following a few easy steps. Quotes can be stored for up to 10 days. After that, they are automatically deleted. You can manually choose the duration of their storage from 1 to 10 days. Unlike quotes, the repair page has a more extended functionality. In addition to editing the repair items mentioned above, you will have access to a chat with a customer and to a list of other repairs requests from the user. For example, the customer can create the requests using the application or your personal website. You will also have a possibility to modify repair stages from initial to finished. The customer will receive a notification on his or her tablet or mobile phone when a stage has been modified. You can also add new items during the repair. The customer may choose to approve or reject the repair item that you have proposed using the application or the website. Learn more about these functions from our video guide. Diagnostics. Let's take a closer look at repair items on the repair page. One of these items is diagnostics. By adding this item, you can conduct the inspection or OBD-II diagnostics of a vehicle by connecting to its computer. Electronic inspections will allow you to save time and eliminate the unnecessary paperwork. Please add the inspection template into configuration before you begin work. You can learn more details about this feature in our video guide. Having added the required template into repair items, you can start the inspection according to your list and mark the damaged or repair requiring spots at the vehicle scheme with markers. OBD-II Diagnostics. The OBD-II Vehicle Diagnostics feature is available in the application for tablets. To use this feature, you will need a special adapter to connect the tablet to the car. You can look through the list of recommended adapters in the OBD-II tab in Configuration. You can also modify the cost and duration of diagnostics in that menu. Choose one of the 5 OBD-II diagnostics when adding a repair item. Trouble codes. Review the OBD-II trouble codes and trouble code descriptions of the vehicle being diagnosed. Smoke check. Perform smoke check to determine if all readiness monitors are in compliance with environmental regulations. Live data. Read PID values of the current moment. They will be displayed in the chart. Save this data to refer back to it at any time. Snapshot. Read PID values of the current moment. They will be displayed in the chart. Freeze frame. Receive all the data about vehicle condition which have been recorded in the vehicle's computer memory at the moment when the trouble occurred. Labor estimates. Another repair item is labors. To save time, select executed labors containing all necessary information such as description, symptoms, tips, related details, and estimated runtime from the catalog. The Auto Repair Cloud database has over 10,000 labors of cars of different makes and models, and an average of about 500 labors for each car. You can perform a quick search using the keywords for the labor you want. For example, enter the repair type or malfunction symptoms. Agile labor time configuration for labor estimates should be mentioned separately. In configuration, select labor estimates and set the probability value based on the qualifications of your mechanics. The larger percentage you set, the more estimated time of fulfillment will the laborers from catalog have. For instance, having set the probability value at 75%, laborers will have sufficient time for a mechanic to complete work in time in 3 out of 4 cases. You can learn more about this feature in our video guide at the following address. Auto parts. Another important repair item is auto parts. 8 million spare parts are available for quick search in Auto Repair Cloud. Before you start working with auto parts, go to Shop Supplies in Configuration, then select the shops selling spare parts that you use. In Price Algorithm, set the desired price, differential or markup for reselling the spare parts. When conducting a repair, choose the type of parts, enter the name of the required spare part, and obtain a list of offers for the order from your supplies. The offers will have photos and codes for the spare parts from the catalogs. Therefore, you may rest assured that the offered spare parts will exactly match the vehicle being repaired. You can view the order history or track parts in Repairs under Order Parts menu. In the Inventory menu, you can keep record of all your spare parts and other available items. Get notified about the items that are about to run out, and place the new orders when needed. After the required spare parts have been delivered to you, use the UPC scanner for keeping track of records. Payments. Auto Repair Cloud allows you to connect POS terminals to applications and receive payments immediately after a repair has been conducted. You may use the following payment systems: Clover, PayPal, and Square. To learn more about payments, please refer to our Auto Repair Cloud video guide. Graphs and tables. In Data and Analytics section, you can view your repair shop's progress statistics in a graph chart layout. For instance, you can track the change in the number of customers for a given time frame, or obtain statistics on repair shop's total profits growth. You will also have access to financial report charts reflecting the types of services performed during a specific time period, maintenance and spare parts costs, or the amount of hours and each mechanic's labor rates. All of these graphs and charts can be either downloaded or printed out. Learn more about them in our video guide. Import, export, and synchronization. Auto Repair Cloud allows you to import or export data about car owners, their vehicles, and the repairs they have had in the past. Besides, you can export data for accounting software such as QuickBooks Desktop and Quicken. Find out more about QuickBooks integration in our video guide. In addition, Auto Repair Cloud allows you to synchronize with QuickBooks Online. To do so, link the QBO account into configuration, and all your data will be synchronized by one mouse click. Or you may want to enable the auto synchronization to save time. This concludes our Auto Repair Cloud presentation. We sincerely hope that it was interesting to you.